I'm convinced that there can be luxury in simplicity. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And yet, how difficult is it to be simple? Today we are creating a very healthy but simple vegan Caesar salad. Something magical happens when you put a creamy, garlicky white sauce over cast lettuce. You almost don't even need the chickpeas, but the chickpeas just gives it like this spicy, smoky taste to the salad. And every time when you bite into the crunch, it just gives you such a great satisfaction. I hope you try the salad. I would really appreciate it if you could support me by subscribing to this channel, by clicking on the red button at the bottom, as well as clicking on the bell next to it so that you get notified when I upload new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.